They say that the Geria Army say they don't see Biafra Ármy Câmp. Oh my God! As that one dey happen, they say that the Biafra Army don still come outside for this video again. Come talk say if they finish this war wey they dey with the Nigeria army dem, he say they go confess the saboteurs wey dey inside Biafra land. Now I come say, wait, this one na wahala o. But however, we go check how this thing take dey happen. Welcome back to Balabas Gist, my people. Today na the first time wey dey come across this channel. You are highly welcome. No be small thing o. As we dey talk o, they say that the Nigeria army say they don release a video showing the Biafra Army Câmp, and they say how we go chop them, we go chop them. Now they say now make the world see the camp, say they don dey closer, they go enter there very soon. Now we come say, hey, this one red though. But however, if you never watch this video, yeah, watch the video before we go come back, come continue.
Today we go chop their father. We don't see them today. We go chop their father. Today they go collect two. Now Tozo, we go chop them, clean out. No. Wanna see them. See them. See that camp. See that camp. No be lie. One RPG for them. We go chop them, clean out today. Now here we go do our Valentine. Yes, now here we go do our Valentine. They say they no want peace. No wahala now. They say no government, no peace of mind. We don't come meet them, make we see how it will come be. We'll go ahead. We leave no man behind. Ajay.
Hey my people, shepu na don see am. No be small thing o. So as we see this one, I will say, hey, this one don red though. But however, let me also play you a video waiting the Biafra Liberation Army pass talk of if they finish how they want to go enter saboteurs and other people. But however, let's watch and hear from Biafra Liberation Army as well before we come back and continue.
Finally, when we are done with you, we will finish our saboteur here. And once this 3 mission is accomplished, Biafra is fully restored. You think we don't know what we are doing? When the Prime Minister tell you we owe the template of Biafra in our palm, you think he's joking? It's not a joke. We hold it. This is our target. We have done the first one. In fact, we are doing two things at a time. Cripple of economy naira and destroying their defense force. These 2 things is going on at the same time. When we are done with you, saboteur in our land will believe that many of them will use their hand. Many of them will use their hand and fight. Yes. So go and bring more sophisticated weapon. Okay? Go and bring it. We not go anywhere. I've told you this is the land of our ancestors. That it is better for us. It is better for us to die fighting to defend it than to become a slave for you. Or kneeling down begging you for mercy. It can never happen. It can never happen. Okay? You cannot humiliate us again. You cannot destroy us. You cannot kill us. You cannot wipe us out. You cannot remove us from our heritage. We are not your slave, and we will never be. The earlier you understand this, the better for you. And as I told you, the more you come, the more you will fall. The harder you come, the harder you will fall. So therefore, I'm still asking you, who say we should come out? Return the armor tank. I think it remain very few now. Out of 30, 12, 13 don't break down. It remain 17. That 17, many of them no fit come across. The heavier one where you think say you fit use them. Now the main one where don't break down. So return the remaining one and use your leg come as a soldier. You go see us. You dey see now when some of you used to carry healers, when you just come down to from healers, you go see us waiting for you to receive you. Was it not so? Idiot. You think you are wise. Don't you know we are wiser than you? You are dealing with those that are educated too. We are not illiterate like you. We are learned. So therefore, if you want to face us man to man, as you said, disembark your armor tank and come, whether you last reach 10 minutes. If you last reach 10 minutes, I drop my weapon and surrender to you. If you last reach 10 minutes, coming here with that armor tanker, you last reach 10 minutes, I will just surrender. Let's try it. Idiot. And that is one. Two, the other one was talking. I'm just here to respond to some zoo that, talk nonsense yesterday. The other idiot say, I should leave Igbo and go to Calabar and do my nonsense. What are we fighting for? Biafra. Who own Biafra? Calabar own Biafra. In our river, you see bite of Biafra. In Calabar River, that is where you see bite of Biafra. I want to educate that idiot. And secondly, who gave the name Biafra? Who gave the name Biafra? Idiot. Who remember the name of our ancestors? Who remember our Igbo brother, Ojukwu, the name of our ancestors? Ojukwu was looking for the name he will give this new nation. And Ojukwu first suggests, should we call it Igbo nation? Many name, many suggestion, many name was suggested until our brother come up and say, we don't need to give a new name, for there is an existing name. And they were asked, what was the name? And he said, Biafra. And Ojukwu immediately adopted the name because the name is a spirit. And this idiot came up to talk nonsense. Do you read history? If you read history, you couldn't have talked that garbage from your... sorry. I am saying whether you read history. They have already removed history from the zoological Islamic State album. Should I say, you people are not doing history again in school. How will you know the past? For those that fail to study history will definitely meet misery. No wonder in misery, you are so miserious. You are meeting, oh my goodness, I don't even know how to put this so evil. You are so miseralism. Let me put it that way. Idiot. Leave Amotanga and come and see whether you can last reach 10 minutes. As I told you, if you last reach 10 minutes, I surrender to you. We go swallow you guys, we go devour you like we go within 5 minutes. If you like, be 2 million. Within 5 minutes, we go devour you like lion where don't starve himself for 3 days. Later come see some more food. Now the way where we go take.
Yeah, my wonderful people. No be small thing though. As you don't hear them, now so we still can't hear them for here. But however, may you share the video so that other people will still get the information and know wetin dey happen. Information na be the key. Who you pass am, you do better thing for am. Share this video, very very important. Yeah, my people, I want you to leave your own opinion for inside the comment section and let us know what you think for this video where you just watch now, and we will talk about them for over there. Don't not forget to share and follow this page and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates as they hot. Yes, for most of I want to see us for TikTok. So that our account for inside TikTok, they don't finally block the account. So but however, we are coming back again. So but now I want to make it in a way that we can be able to register and make it so that all these people where they claim saying I didn't get the account, because according to the information where we get, they say some people they report our videos, they claim saying I didn't get the video. So because of this, TikTok have to bring that account down. So but however, we are trying our best to make sure say that we register the account and make sure that that will not happen again. So in case of any time where we still open if you see us there, make sure say you follow us. Thank you so much for watching and share this video.